Welcome to the show. This is Trustman and Captain Jack. Trustman is learning how to find the eyes of... what did you learn today? The camera just started. What did you learn today, sir? From the great teacher?
Well, pretty much,
and you dirty up the good hat already, so you know, learn something. Now so, touch your hat with your glove.
It's rough enough, because there's something you have to shift like look a bit if you can't see, especially if you camera.
So that means that you want the hat there for yourself?
So guess what? Yes, man.
That means that you earn the hat.
Yes, I've been farming hat this. Good. So people say, guess what, no?
Right.
You see, whenever time you dig out the banana or the plant, you have to look out for the eye. You have to look good. Okay. Because guess what, if you cut off the eye, a waste of time, you mother biggie. You kill it.
Banana can't see nothing underground.
He's dead, man. Dead. You blind him. So you have to make sure you find the eye.
Show with the eye.
Alright. I want to know people. You take whole heap of look and cribbage and corner to find the eye, because the eye are little.
It's like
a little bump like. A little bump.
You can't miss
swelling like one little swelling. Yes.
Wait, you say?
See that? See eye.
I saw you feel up the banana, brother.
That one is difficult to find. I tell you. But the eye.
So how come you learn so fast?
Easy, man.
Welcome to class. You're a Centi man. I'm Captain Jack, a Centi man. So when you say Centi man not lazy?
2 Centi man. Centi man not lazy. We need enough color look.
So when you say Centi man better than Manchester man?
I drink enough
coffee. Man. Yes, man. Drink way by rock whole milk.
So which one of the woman them love which one? Centi or Manchester or St. Mary? Which one are the man them stronger for the woman them?
Centi.
Centi?
Yeah. Way by peanut blend up.
Oh. But you don't plant yellow yam?
Everything, man. White yam, sweet yam, all type of yam. We're dangerous.
We not plant cassava.
Come now, yeah.
Yes, man.
Come, brother.
We're coming over there. So let's have a big one to find over there.
Alright, you see the eye way in the show now? Show the teeth, show
see
the
better
teeth.
here now.
Captain, the one you're moving now.
Eh?
The one you're drop.
Yeah, man, make him stay. Watch out now. The eye way I show you.
See
how him come now? You see? And the eye that.
Yeah.
So the little bump come this
bring
way
the eye.
and start to grow. You understand?
Wow, the 2 Centi man them around the place. I'm not bring no woman around and now. Not doing it.
Yeah, people. As you can see, a little bump bring this, bring the plant, the eye. You understand? So, you know, learn something today too.
Wow, you know, so Captain, I never know, you know.
You never know. Well, you know now.
Cause normally I not even chop off. I not even chop off the root, you know. Me just plant it.
Mash it, you mash it,
don't worry, boy. Watch it.
What?
And the great Captain Jack, you know, people. The greatest man in Jamaica, make John Kuno drum.
The bird fly down easy.
The man you do diving. And the man you want to teach you know. The man you teach you how to plant yam with your foot.
He's a lifeguard, you know you.
Lifeguard,
Dangerous.
diver, musical instrument, farmer will plant tree for fat. Greatest man in Jamaica. Greatest man in Jamaica.
Teach them diving, learning lessons, swimming lessons. Love people from America come here, can't swim, make them live here, go back.
I'm a teacher this is around.
Nice. The name fit your teacher, you know. The name fit you. How get the name?
Well, him give me.
Yeah, man, fit you, man.
Teacher this.
Yeah,
You have some fake teacher out the road herself and take up nice na music. Are the real teacher this?
Is that a real teacher?
No, them not for talk. They heavy name that. What them are teach the youth them?
Wrongs.
Them not even not teach the youth them what banana high there. Youth out the road don't know say banana have highs.
They don't know that.
See the teacher there. You know what I go teach with John Kuno drum making. You see when the classroom me make it, you have to forward in the John Kuno drum class. You understand me, Centi man? You might go teach you how to make drum. Teach you how to make the John Kuno musical instrument. And you have to carry on the tradition.
What happened to when we gone? Who bring it?
Captain, this man is a revivalist, you know.
Oh, my mother is a revivalist too. Dead and gone. All we have the nature. He's the only one out of church.
You meet a real Centi man now. You never know say I come St. James can meet a real Centi man.
Yeah, man.
And the teacher, you know, brother.
Alright, what's your name now?
That's 61 years old. I think you take boy if you do what me can do.
61.
Shang man, where my friend about?
61.
We put hook in their back.
And Captain, me tell the woman them for forward, you know, but they straight out, they see your muscles and they afraid. Captain, but there's another lady where me like for you. Her name is Barbara, and I said on the phone, on the camera. And I want her for here, for roping. Or you go build house and you know nobody for rub your back.
That make no sense.
Eh?
Who go rub it for you? Banana? No.
Eh? Who I go protect you with my shit at night time when dog bark? Captain Jack. So I don't know woman that is of age and beautiful still. Captain Jack will have on her back. Literally. Right? Upon the man we are 61 ladies, me tell you no say. The description, my number in the description of the video. If you don't want him, see him there. Enough for the woman them not call him, you know. But they afraid of him, they see muscle, they afraid of him. I say, why the woman afraid? I said, Jesus alone can't hug you. Oh Jesus I go hug you. Eh? Trustman.
You.
Jesus not in the grave.
Yes, sir.
Can't tell when they.
You need a man, them need a man in their life. Right, Trustman?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Teacher. The teacher.
You need a teacher, woman. And the last time when I see him, I'm going to tell you now.
Alright.
The one you have to show.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See there? Ladies, see son of husband there. See him there. So, me now go there around for help, you know. Trustman have a human already, so.
Sure.
Me going to Africa soon. See him there.
No, I want some smaller plant for you. See some big so.
Trustman, you love the vibes.
Good vibes, man.
If you
So you look like you want that shirt there too, it fits you, you know. And the pant. Oh,
Shirt that big on me.
If you don't love the vibes, who they gonna love? If you don't love the vibes,
You know,
Hold
say,
up the vibes that you
who they gonna
playing.
love it?
Can you play some more? Can you play some
out that one there,
more? Lift it up, jack it up.
Trustman, stop sing song and go take out the banana.
No man, intent teacher want me teacher just shout me.
Him already shout you?
No, man.
He there on camera.
Intent teacher
Him
want
said,
me.
you never tell him.
You want it? Alright.
Him tell you already, you know. The teacher, man. This is a great energy. Good people from Centi. Big up to all the Centi massive them. Wanna work hard, want to go on no credit.
Right.
Food basket at Jamaica, right?
You know, make people give me no trouble now. Calling girls I sent to one room. They say, but backside, look how that no here and here and there.
Here,
Everybody want here and when they got country now. That's my right name.
Iran.
Here and.
So everybody where you're pregnant and breed and left, they know you know. I'm my daddy.
My schoolmate them, all of my schoolmate them.
A Iran.
That could have cut the
Them in-
picture.
Alright, see, go see.
I never go school with Iran. I am breed Miss Matty daughter and left.
Why? Everybody was say, right, did no here and that. My schoolmate them.
We have four.
Okay.
See one or something.
Wow.
Cut out that.
More short and less weight.
This is a blessed
We keep
day.
growing space.
I plant
Yeah,
my
man, you did it.
food.
Just keep
See me,
man.
see me.
Yeah, well,
I'll-
you all learn. When you go, put all of them are going and switch them. See if you don't see you, why you see.
Yeah, man. When you're fast too.
Him never know say yeah today no. Me have to show him say yeah, I watch him.
Hey.
If I'm on the area, no.
No, you have to. No, me no cut near.
You cut near, you just
cut
know,
far
mix it.
funny.
Smart.
See ya. Me not have to go in. For me look me see ya.
Smart.
No,
The teacher.
No, you know cut near.
Teacher,
You
that, you
understand?
know.
You cut far
Yeah,
funny.
safety.
Real teacher, no fake teacher out the road, you know.
Eh?
Go on,
The real teacher that.
We go bring them down closer to it. We about 3 down, so never cut off it, you know.
Go ahead, go.
Wow.
Every one of them have a eye, my brother.
Mhm.
Yes.
This is the teacher.
No, I want them two have to come out. How them go come out now?
Alright. Looking at a film here that is priceless. The master is here. This is the master class.
Watch your foot.
You're doing the master class, you know, people with the master himself, master teacher, and the master student.
One letter.
Yeah, man, come
Give me that.
It's a pleasure to be among you, gentlemen. a nice lady for you, you know. She named Barbara.
Mm,
And brother, she nice, you see.
man.
She nice. And she watch the video, you know. And I send it to her.
What's my shit in the teacher?
So I give her your number. You have to protect her, you know.
Hmm?
You have to protect her when she forward down.
You don't have to worry about that, man. She don't get more than to take what she think about.
Hey! It's a nice Christian lady.
Now you see the problem, me take care of people, but them not take care of me.
That one will take care of you. That one will rub coconut oil on your back.
It's like all the while me they get the wrong one, I don't know why.
Some of them afraid of your muscles.
Must not have nothing to do with me, man. I do work.
Make Trustman help you, know. He working on rain, you know.
Yeah, but you may not understand this one.
You see what the teacher do?
Don't take me light, you know. You think that's everything, you know.
Our style for
Both
cut.
three, you know.
Our style for cut it. And to get away from it. It's a style. You have to understand the trick in it.
Well, the chain, man.
Oi, me dig place for to build pool. With flint rock in a hit. And backward broke down, cannot dig it, brother. Me take it out. At Pana Hotel, me I tell you about you can't drink. If you drink, you gone through the gate. And me drink there and through the bars like how you tell them.
Boy! Teacher
No man
talking!
can do it.
I respect you.
Nobody.
Teacher talking that.
Nobody can do it. Then gone through the gate.
Big man talk
Well,
that.
everyone have a part, you know. So, you know, I give him a part.
Just to show you the person me is.
Here, make we hear what you have to say for yourself, youngster. What have you done to say to the teacher, this me doing a life?
Whole heap.
See that?
Teacher, you see you have 2 pick in your hotel.
Oh,
Me save more than 4 people I see.
boy, boy, boy,
Ocean where you can't see land.
boy.
He's a lifeguard, that's what I say.
Where are CFX?
Listen, he's a lifeguard.
The man say, I see.
Listen to me.
The teacher say, I see.
Listen to me.
You the pan-
Me is a search and rescue man.
What is it
Me
you
is a
say?
lifeguard.
Lord have mercy.
Me do search
And we not even
rescue.
drink yet. We not even.
Me do search and rescue. He's a lifeguard.
At the
The
sea.
lifeguard I look at me have my surfing ticket on my yard. Put on. Me have 3 cox license. Drive carry tourists go see. Teach them swimming, teach them snorkeling. So you don't know who you are talking.
Lord, teacher to rat.
We're not competing.
Then if it's a teach, if it's a teacher, how can you compete with the teacher?
So make you know, you don't lightly neither.
Me heavy in my
Not
skill, brother.
lightly.
Me heavy. Brother, me heavy in my skill. You can't stay right here so I take something, nothing, and make something. Give you where you can
You
be.
see that big breadfruit tree, the 40-year-old tree him have, you know? The tree over there, so.
Oh yeah.
About, you should have there when the teacher treat them the there.
Sure.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah?
Me there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Always.
The man that catch shark.
Shark meat nice too, you know.
Hey, but as you gone pan shark,
Mhm.
because shark come from the beach where everybody run off the beach take with themselves.
Hey!
Live shark kicking.
What it is? What it is? You hear that?
No,
You hear that?
Them this man is saying enough to catch it.
What it is? You hear that?
Shark.
Live shark.
You're dangerous man.
Okay. You talk about something 2 times, are you?
Hey!
What?
Hey!
Good.
A 3 time, me think it's 3 time, cause you know make no jankuno drum.
You know.
What you put down?
The teacher people, see him there?
Dangerous, you know.
There is fake teachers out there. Me introduce them to the greatest man in Jamaica. In the right over there, so. And your holiness, you know holy like the man, yeah. Eh? No, sir, the teacher this. So, lady Barbara, see your husband there. This is Randy, the girls, them Candy. Big up to my friend Sandy. The teacher, give me. You have to make them know, that teacher.
Yeah, man.
There is fakers.
No. Me growing away.
We have cheese to cut off here.
I don't even know because when the way how me grow, it's like I learn when me say me the touch as a youth. But now me a man, me see what it means.
Yes,
And I do what it takes.
yes.
Yes, those people was do farming were grow me. But in the field,
Yeah.
we just say, boy, this is a torture.
Yes, that's
But by coming up,
yes.
I learned every single thing and say, yes,
Was not
it
torture.
was not torture. It was a skill. It was a lifespan.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So then leave me now with that now for expand the thing.
Yes.
Cause me young.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's like I showing my skill.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and I'm good at everything what I do.
Most respect and honor. Honor thy elder and your days will be longer.
This year anymore, yeah. Anymore. One good type of banana, yeah. No switches. Come without taking no. This is all, yes.
Trustman, you're excited?
It's ready.
I drink some coconut now, Trustman. We want to get a stick to pick some coconut.
One stick supposed to up the line then. This can't move. That can't move.
What up? What's your chief? What up, chief?
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
When you come back, my friend, you see something different here?
Yes, man.
Oh. You see, the more light, the how me I do it now, the more light it get, the beer better. Get the sunlight.
How do you plant chocho? If I go market go buy some chocho, how me must make the eye them grow?
You don't have to make the eye them grow. You have the eye, you will see how the eye stay upon it.
Just put them under some bush or something?
No, the eye stay, it bursts out like this, but the eye is set like this.
Mm-hmm.
It have a look like this.
Mm-hmm.
The part where you see open, kind of open,
Yeah,
you put it in the ground, make this part where open up in the air.
yeah.
Right in here, so the plant gonna come through, come up. The bottom send the road. You would have to notice it properly.
But if I buy the chocho them and I want them to catch, what is the best way for you?
You just put them down in one cool place.
Put them in a cool
Don't
place.
plant them, just put them down in one cool
No
place.
water. No make water go upon them.
The place, you can put water, but the place have to cool and you see them start to bust them one eye. In time they bust the eye, now you can plant them.
Okay.
But if you plant them blind, you don't know the way how to put them because you don't go know the side where the eye them coming up from.
Got it.
The almost like the coconut.
You take out the one there, what you say that one there, what kind of tree? Gross Michel. You give me no Gross Michel?
See one here too. This one big. See one here. So. Oh, see there. See there. Whoa, wetting already. Sucker here.
See the real Centi man there. Real Centi man there. The man you working out rain. And the only man me see in life who working out rain. You know somebody comment on the video to Trustman and say, rain don't make you sick.
No, sir.
Captain Jackie think, the man are working out rain, you know? And he never get sick yet.
Then know me, and I rain me work when me there.
Oh, even when you're hot? So why people always run from rain?
Boy, right now see them wet.
So then when you're why people always run out of rain?
Right now,
A lightning they're afraid of?
rain fall right now, I sweetest thing to me for you and the work.
Oh. Only some man coward.
Me don't know about the code. Some people are delicate.
Them delicate.
Yeah,
Oh,
some
Mr.
people
Mayor.
delicate. Some people blood don't strong to resist certain things. Some
Got it.
people It's left to the nature of the person.
Got it.
There are some people have strong head, strong nature. Because no care all the time cold, me take a shirt and me a sweat. No care all the time it's cold.
Yes.
So my body should heat. Yeah, some people can manage certain things. So during all the rain and fall, my body they should heat like me a sweat.
Yes,
away.
sir. Yes, sir.
So the nature of the person.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The nature of the person have a lot to do with it. Because you see some people don't born very healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and can take certain things.
Mm-hmm. You have to build them up.
Yeah, certain things the body cannot.
So about 2-3 weeks we get stale?
No man, 2 days, 3 days.
2 days, 3 days?
Yeah. From 2 days past you can start your thing.
Alright, my brother.
But don't plant the same time like how it just come out.
Yes, sir. Teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
2 days, 3 days, put it down, 2 days or 3 days, you can start plant. Alright, so you want help to suck on it.
This is no Gross Michelle?
Yeah, do you see where I them there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so yeah,
People see the eye there. When you better plant banana suckers.
No, a $300 a dozen in the market.
$300 a dozen for banana?
$300 for 1 dozen in the market.
For 1 dozen?
That's why you see me there clean the whole of the sun and start put.
How what you said to me?
Alright, you better know that. When me hear me can't believe me have a good girlfriend and him come say $300 a dozen. Today what? Tuesday?
Trustman, a $300 a dozen for banana?
Today what? Tuesday? You know say one lady she come check me today. $300 a dozen.
No cheap again.
Oh, good. You try and know that. So when me hear me have to say no as a farm, me have to say no sir. And me have it here so I spoil. Oi!
We have one more. Up here.
Yeah, one more up here. My brother, you where we reach you now?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, going terrible further down the line, you hear?
Well, you know, see me clean up the land, you know, I'm buy dirt.
You see the land where they left, you know where them put the,
Yeah.
you know them now go further. So me have the whole of galang back. So when me done with it, as you can see it already.
Yes, my
you
brother.
go and clean up.
Yes, teacher. People now watch this video, we now get on a hack together. Right over there, sir.
See 1 year so already.
Right over there, sir,
Go on
brother.
there, sir.
Right there, sir.
You not good, you not good.
See one now, sit over there. Sit
The one not good too.
Which one?
You can cut away carry him, yeah man. You can carry.
Yeah man,
Put him
I'm
off,
just
man.
put him out. Brother, I know go and pretty. When you can hear me can come to it either. Go and pretty.
Trust man, you have them kind of banana here, a Centi? When you have a banana walk?
Yeah man, we have everything at Centi.
This
Centi is the bread basket, you know.
yeah man.
Everything they are Centi.
Everything that sent. One I think me have it, you know, the one when you horse planting. No, giant planting. I want to get one of those. I think me have it. I'm not sure yet. Hold on, me give you none of the maiden. Maiden, I will suck on them there. I think what they
Much bag we have already?
You want maiden?
3 bags.
3 bag?
I think it's 14 and it's
Chap, give me one more, then next day me come for another bag. It's a blessing for me get this, you know.
Yeah man, that's how it if you buy them right now.
You can't, them
for
expect.
money. Yes man.
Captain, if you buy them enough money for them, yeah?
What? At our when me buy a what? $200 a sucker.
But no.
200 a one.
In a long time, but
A long time.
so things raise every day, you know, so you know say.
expensive,
Right.
they're expensive, I know, because they're not selling cheap. Alright, this.
You want one?
No man, you.
Double trouble.
And what this you say to me?
Not him see
See me, double trouble.
What you say to
Alright,
me?
I'll chop
I
out
too
you.
hide upon that.
Smash it, get done. I see my cut.
Teacher, a samurai, you know.
Yeah.
Shape up on, I look ugly. Shape up. I look ugly. Shape up on.
Yeah, a lot of them are fish here, folks. You better fish here, say I tell them.
You want to look ugly? I can look ugly. I can look good.
But you know, say fish here, pop and you know, shape you know.
No, I'm such a machine, you know. So left with machine over.
Walk to you, man.
We left with machine over. Unless if a man there, machine man for a man.
Are you that?
Three teachers.
Alright, where the digger? Where the digger? Give me. Oh, you have the digger.
Where's the seat?
The teacher.
Alright, man, say alright, I know.
Yes, my brother. We will
When
We will
do my work,
try
I know
another
how
time.
It's
It's a pleasure to be around the teacher.
yeah.
No, you have to go wash your hat now, no Trustman.
Sure.
You
But
miss
you
it.
have one where you left up the sign I got there. I know you're not him see.
Wait there.
One hat now there,
A green one?
I think it's a red purple dot or something.
Eh,
One dot.
you can point it out for me.
Okay.
So, Trustman, if you bring them here? Trustman,
Yeah.
me bring them here, so?
Well, I hear so.
Me if you bring them here? I 4 there, so you know. Alright. You see? We're doing it. We're outside. The real teacher over there, so all other teacher are fake teacher. The real teacher that. Culture. Mr. Holiness, we need some money for him. We need a truck. Don't disappoint me. Me's the chief of chiefs. Don't disappoint me. But in time, when they will know, we teach the people them to grow. See it there, people? Real Jamaicans are do real thing. We don't worry about foolishness. See it there? So what the teacher do? Greatest man in Jamaica. Look here. I want they clean up. So teacher, what else you can plant between the banana them?
Whole heap of things. Right now you can plant all type of things. You can plant pepper, carrot, impacto, cabbage, all of those things. Pumpkin, whether you want to put melon and that, because the place is very cool and rich and fat. Turn the camera back that side and watch. Watch your side. Look on the type of side.
Nice and wet.
And cool.
Cool.
So you can plant anything. But it really make me cannot plant short crop because you know they're here often.
Got it.
Because sometimes weeks me in the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
So that we just cause short crop, you know we need like spray and certain things to
Yes,
get the
yeah.
worm off. And I don't deal with those spray things. I deal with natural.
Yes, sir. Real big man. Teacher, we'll go forward later. Another time. Take care of yourself.
So you said, man.
We link you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, people. So I have to go plant all them myself. Just man, I have to come back one weekend to help out.
Yeah, but I enjoy first 3-4 days.
3-4 days.
As a boss
start
before you can.
Man, yeah,
2 days, say.
4 days, man. By
How much?
3 days, 2 days you plant, man. Just give 2 days or 3 days. Alright, look. A 2 days this. 2 days this cut.
2 days.
And you see where it reach?
Jaja. 2 inches and you're ready.
By 2 days gone, this start to
Look at
send
that.
plant.
Life are going so
already.
fast.
So wait. So it wasn't at all?
Let me
Yes, 2 days, day before yesterday.
You
we
cut
cut
it?
this. I lean it for drain for
And
plant.
2 days they
And see them there, they may plant. See
And I go start on 2 days.
just look.
A 2 days this
2 days.
teacher.
So you put it down for 2 days or 3 days and then you plant.
I mean life,
Sit there.
life a move so fast and people a move so slow.
Yeah, before you